And here we have Matt's futile attempt to do a fire weld.
That's not true. It's not true, ladies and gents. I've done it before. Once. 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 4. 25% is not a bad fire weld record. Particularly for a novice or a beginner. This fire, 2,000 degrees. Quite hot, 2,000.
Why did you just put sugar on?
That's not sugar, everyone. That's borax. Too cold. Too cold. Yeah?
Too cold. Once again, he goes back to the fire.
The fire is my friend, everyone. The fire is my friend. He works for me. He is my employee. And friend. Personal friend.
How does he give you money?
He makes, I don't know. I give him money. He's my employee. Welded. Welded.
Got a couple of cracks.
Got a few cracks, but you know, I'm sorry I can't be perfect.
Why didn't you put your safety gloves on before?
Well, because
that is a very unsafe practice.
Well, I needed the extra feel. The feel of the fingertips, very important. I just didn't have the dexterity with the glove. It's a big cumbersome thing. That's why.